Are you looking for a moisturizer that's gentle on sensitive skin but powerful enough to restore your skin barrier fast? Meet the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer, one of the most loved skincare products on Amazon. This lightweight cream is packed with ceramide 3 to strengthen the skin barrier, niacinamide to soothe and improve skin tone, and glycerin for deep hydration. Plus, it contains the brand's signature prebiotic thermal water, rich in minerals to calm sensitive skin and support a healthy skin microbiome. The result? Your skin barrier is visibly repaired in just 1 hour, with hydration lasting up to 48 hours. Pros and cons. Amazon reviewers love its non-greasy texture, fast absorption, and the fact that it's fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic, perfect for sensitive or combination skin. On the downside, some users with very dry skin mentioned they needed an extra layer of hydration, and since this moisturizer doesn't include SPF, you'll need to pair it with sunscreen during the day. If you're interested, I've dropped a direct Amazon link in the description. Click it to check the latest price and grab your bottle today.